you had to kind of pull in one thought that you hear a lot and that you think would be worth reflecting for folks that are watching, what would you say?
Well, I mean, I think there's a lot of different interesting areas that happen, but one that we were talking about earlier, which is very intriguing, is that if we have more tools to create stuff, and we've said this in the last episode, of course, it's going to have two effects, right? Lots and lots of average stuff being created, and a whole load of new interesting stuff being created as well. But let's say we have those tools to create things, and I create a new character in a short series that I use with AI, that I put out there, and you see that and you want to build on it. Well, maybe you could license that character from me, and you could use it on your AI model to build something else. And if you get traction, I get a royalty on the back of what you've created, because you've used what I've come up with to come up with something else. And that is really interesting, because what we have there is we have this sort of building on top of each other effect. And we have the ability potentially for anybody to become almost like a content creator media house in a new form of content production. And so plus it also starts to feed into what we spoke about in the last episode, which was training data and the potential challenges of training data. But if I'm able to curate what I put into the model that I'm building with or creating outputs with, and I hone that, then that becomes interesting. So I really think that is a super interesting area in terms of media entertainment.